प्रॉक्सी सर्वर और रिवर्स प्रॉक्सी सर्वर क्या होता है?
Okay, so we know IP address and we know VPN. So now let's learn about proxy servers. So proxy does the exact same which VPN wanted to do is mask your IP address or hide your IP address over the internet so you can access web more securely. So VPN had a private server network and it created an encrypted tunnel. But what proxy does, it does not have an encrypted tunnel. What it does, it instead of transmitting your data over directly to the server, what it does, it will transmit your data over different servers. So it has a lot of servers and it will route your traffic from one server, let's say from India to America, then to Paris, and then finally to the server you wanted to access. So this makes it more difficult for any attacker on the internet to backtrack to you. So now there are a number of different servers between you and the actual server you wanted to access, and that's how a proxy works. And there are also a set of proxies you can access over the internet. So if you google proxy servers, so there are a set of free proxy servers which are available on the internet. So we know what a proxy server is. There is one more thing which is called a reverse proxy server. So the job of the proxy server was to secure your connection, the client's connection. But the job of the reverse proxy server is to secure or hide the IP address of the server. So how it works? So let's say you wanted to connect to this server. So instead of exposing the IP address of the server, what we do is we create one more server which will act as an intermediary between you and the actual server. So now you won't be able to connect to the server directly. You have to go through the intermediary server, and the IP address of this could be, let's say, 11.2.1.0. So now the IP of the proxy server is exposed over the internet. So why this is useful? So you can do some filtering in your proxy server and set up kind of a firewall so attackers won't be able to access your actual server directly. And it also has a use case in load balancing.